Are you tired of feeling drained, sluggish, and like you're not living life to the fullest? What if I told you that the secret to feeling amazing starts with your heart? That's right, when your heart isn't working at its best, you feel it everywhere. Low energy, no drive, and even a weaker performance in the gym and the bedroom. But the good news is that you can turn things around in just 5 days. That's right, just 5 days. With 5 simple bodyweight exercises, you can fire up your circulation, strengthen your heart, and bring your body back to life. No equipment, no excuses, just results! Let's dive in. Let's warm up for 2 minutes. Prime your body and protect yourself from injury. March in place for 30 seconds while breathing throughout your nose. While in motion, perform shoulder rolls forward and backward. Keep moving. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale to reset your focus. Exercise number 1, the good old jumping jacks. 3 sets of 45 seconds. A classic that never fails. Open and close your arms and legs like you're back on the playground. This move skyrockets your heart rate and pumps fresh blood through your whole system. Exercise 2! High knees, 3 sets of 45 seconds. Run in place and drive those knees high. This isn't just cardio. It sends blood rushing to your lower body, fueling stamina, power, and male performance. Exercise number 3, bodyweight squats, 4 sets, and 15 reps each. Stand tall, sink low, explode, back up. Squats light up your legs and glutes while making your heart work overtime. This is how you build real strength from the ground up. Exercise number 4, almost done. Let's try those sweet mountain climbers. This time only 3 sets and 30 seconds each. I meant these mountain climbers. We are keeping it easy. Drop down. Keep your body straight and drive your knees forward like you're sprinting on the ground. A fat-burning, heart-pumping move that pushes endurance to the next level. Finally, exercise number 5. Everyone's favorite, right? Who does not like this exercise? I am kidding. I got you. It is the famous burpees. Let's finish strong. 3 sets and 10 reps per set. Go! You can do it! The king of bodyweight training. Squat, push up, jump. Every rep tests your limits, firing up every muscle while sending your heart rate through the roof. Now, here's the deal. After finishing all 5 exercises, rest for 3 minutes, then repeat. Do this for 20 minutes daily. For the next 5 days, stick with it. And in just 5 days, you'll feel more energy, more confidence, and more power in every part of your life. Here's why this routine is your ticket to a healthier, more energetic you. First, it's all about that heart health. These exercises boost cardiac output, the amount of blood your heart pumps with each beat. A stronger heart means better circulation, more oxygen, and that's fuel for the rest of your body. Second, say goodbye to stiffness. This workout will increase your flexibility and range of motion. You'll move better, feel better, and be less prone to injuries. Third, get ready for a metabolism boost. These exercises help maintain a healthy body weight by burning calories and boosting your metabolic rate. Fourth, stress less. Exercise releases feel-good hormones that reduce stress and improve your mood. It's like a natural antidepressant. Fifth, sleep tight. Better cardiovascular fitness means better sleep quality. You will wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. You will also age gracefully. Regular exercise helps maintain healthy blood pressure and reduces the risk of age-related diseases. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress. So start today and commit to these 20 minutes for the next 5 days. We are with you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more tips and challenges. And hey, don't go anywhere. We've got more awesome content coming your way. Keep watching and let's get healthy together.